Morning friends, today we will teach convection heat transfer. Convection is the method of transfer of heat in a fluid by mixing of one portion into another. Let's take an example of natural convections. Suppose this is a beaker. There is a fluid inside it. This is burner. Burner is supplying heat to this beaker from bottom side. The bottom side fluid, after getting heat, it become expands. Because of expansion, here volume increases and density decreases for the same mass, and due to decrease in density, here this portion become lighter, and because of buoyancy, particle lifted up. Then in this portion there is a creation of vacuum. To fill this vacuum, side particles comes. Then again there is a creation of vacuums, and these side particles will come to fill this. Again there is a creation of vacuum from both sides. Then these side particles will come to fill it. So this phenomena will come. Okay. While going, after taking heats from this bottom to up, these particles also giving heats to the surrounding, to the side particles. Okay, and if this and also while coming particles to upper portion, it will push the side particles, these sides. Now this all these side particles which takes the place of these portions, these vacuums, again it will be heated by this burner. After getting heat, these side particles will goes up, and again it distribute heat to the surrounding particles, and it will push these side particles. So this same phenomenon will occurs for the entire side particles. Okay, it means one by one all side particles will come here, and after getting heat it will moves up, and you will see that there is a circulation of fluid. So we can say that after getting heat there is expansion. After expansion, volume increases, and because of volume increase, density decreases. Then because of lighter, there is a buoyancy, and particles lifted up. Vacuums created. This vacuum will be filled by the particles from the sides. The sides are filled by top particles. So in the entire method of convections, we conclude that in method of convection, heat is taken by individual particles of medium. Then they become lighter and moves on. Other particles takes their place and get heat. So we'll conclude that in conduction there will be vibration of particles or molecules without displacing its position. But in convection there is a displacement of particles. Particles will comes at the bottoms, and after getting heats it will goes up. So this is the process of convection heat transfer.